Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We've been testing two similar robot vacuums from Roborock that they sent us to review, the Saros Z10R and the Saros Z70. Which one's better? Both of these robots have similar, though not identical, vacuuming and mopping capabilities. And both have a docking station which holds clean water for washing the mops, a storage tank for detergent, and a tank for the dirty water, plus a dust bag to collect the dust and dirt. So before the robot leaves the dock, it washes its mops and fills itself with water and detergent, so you don't have to.
Both use the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, which is LiDAR and an RGB camera. This allows for their ultra-slim design. Both are only 3.14 inches tall, which is really handy for getting under furniture and baseboards. When you set up the Roborock robots, they map your house so they know where to go.
Move the robot to a new location and restart.
What is interesting is that once it is mapped, the robot always knows where it is.
Positioning. Standby.
This is important because we find most robot vacuums have a hard time keeping connected to the Wi-Fi when roaming around, especially with mesh routers, at least in our house. So having the map inside the robot without relying on Wi-Fi or the internet is key. Both the Saros models have onboard processing that allows this.
The robots do all you would expect from a high-end model. They clean well with a strong vacuum and detachable dual rotating mops. With the swing-out brushes and mops, they get close into the corners, along baseboards and around chair and table legs. They both have main brush features to help prevent hair tangles, though with slightly different designs. The Saros Z70 has one free-flow brush, and the Saros Z10R has the Duo Divide split roller with spiral blades. They both have a dirt detection sensor and will remop a heavily soiled area. With their AdaptiLift chassis, both models can better navigate thresholds and other obstacles. Both have Rocky voice control, and you can even drive them remotely using its onboard camera from your phone. So then, what is the major difference?
The arm. Yes, the Z70 has an arm called the OmniGrip mechanical arm, and the arm has a camera and a grappling hand. It is really cool to watch. It can pick up shoes you leave around, move them out of the way, and clean. Oh, and also put them back. It even has a mode where it actually puts things in a place you designate, kind of like picking up the house. For us, the arm mostly works, but it is slow. Right now it is limited in what it can pick up. In our experience, it only picks up things like socks, light sandals, and some shoes.
Is the arm worth it? Well, as Roborock improves its success rate, it will hopefully pick up more things and do it faster. So yes. As more people test the feature in real homes, the Roborock algorithm will get better at identifying objects and determining what it can and can't pick up. If we had kids or dogs that left their toys all over the house, we would definitely want this feature. Plus, it's already smart enough not to try to pick up dog poop. Either robot vacuum is a great choice since they both clean well, and you will always have a clean mop and not have to constantly empty the dustbin. Thank you for watching.